Hey, it's Jack here. We're back in Las Vegas. We're spending the night here at the OYO Hotel, former Hooters Hotel, and originally it was the Howard Johnson's in the 1970s. We're going to go inside, give you the room tour, show you the amenities. Let's go inside, check it out. We're coming off the elevator, don't know which way to go. Our room's 522. It's 503 and 504 back in the corner. We'll just go down this way. Coming into the room, off to the right is the bathroom. Here we got a simple sink. There's a mirror. Their soap of choice is called Level Citrus Fields. Got a couple towels in the corner. I've got a leaky tub right there. And over here they've got in the shower some more Citrus Fields by Level shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. Well, coming out, we've got this guy looking at us. Open this up. And we got an ironing board. Down below, we found our safe spot. Opposite the closet over here, they've got this setup, and they also have a makeup mirror on the wall. So we come into the room, got a flat screen TV. That looks probably like about a 42-inch, 45-inch TV there. Got a table, and down below TV is this cabinet. We'll see if there's a refrigerator in here. No refrigerator on this side. And no refrigerator on that side. No refrigerator in the room. Over on this side, here's the king-size bed. They do have a clock. This lamp over here, the reason why it's not on, because there's no way to turn it on. It's actually missing the little handle thing to be able to turn it on, so this lamp is not functional. We got like a porthole mirror on the wall there. This will be our view. Looking at the rooftop, we can see the back of the Steak and Shake sign. Across the way is the MGM Grand Hilton Vacations. The big towers on the right, that's a signature at MGM Grand. This is one thing I don't normally show in my videos. That's the parking structure. However, I felt this is worth sharing. So if you come out here, park your vehicle, the elevator doesn't work. So if you got all your luggage, advise that you drop it off the front area. There's no valet. Then hopefully you have somebody with you. You can watch after the luggage while you park your vehicle. I wanted to show something else here as we go walking down the stairs. And this is the stairs you'll be walking if you bring your luggage. Go down these stairs here, and we can see the writing on the wall, so to speak. We're going down here. We'll go inside, show you around. Due to the fitness center being occupied at the moment, I can't show it, but they have some treadmills in there, some free weights, and some weight machines. They also have a gift shop available that has items from the former Hooters Hotel, as well as essentials in case you left something at home. Those essentials do cost quite a premium. Keep that in mind. Tonight's dinner, we're going to head on into Hooters. Check it out. This is the menu here. Looks like they're just running it off on the copier. And this is the flip side. They've got their teasers, salad, seafood, and then on the other side they've got the wings, sandwiches, burgers, and stuff on the side. They also have their alcohol menu right here, and more on this side. Well, I don't know what I'm going to get, but when I do, I'll show it to you. This is the world's largest Hooters restaurant. This used to be the Hooters Hotel, now it's the OYO. So that's the reason why it's the world's largest, because it was for the theming of the hotel. Walking around the hotel, we can still see a lot of the remnants of Hooters being the hotel owner. Here's what we got tonight. We got boneless wings done with Daytona sauce. And over here we got the fries. And I went with a glass of ice water tonight. We'll give these a taste, tell you what they're like. Here we go. We're going to try these fries first. Now, if you've never been to Hooters, the fries are amazing. They're always really crisp and crunchy, and these are no exception. These are the Daytona Beach style boneless wings. Also got some blue cheese to dip them in. We'll try this out. Well, if you've never tried the Daytona flavored wings, it's a barbecue sauce with like their mild sauce. If you're at Hooters, try out the Daytona flavor, Daytona Beach flavor for yourself. This is our view for the evening. I'll tell you about the hotel and the stay here in the morning. You know, the sun's coming up to start the day. let me tell you about the stay here at the OYO. So, what was it like staying here at the OYO Hotel? Well, it was an experience to say the least. I've stayed at a lot of hotels. If you follow the channel, you know I do a hotel practically every month. Get checked in, check-in staff was super nice. Give me my card, go up to the room here. When I film the room, I come into the room, turn the lights on, leave the room, and come back in. You're getting my first reaction, in other words, of the room. So I walk through the room, come into the bathroom, and I noticed the bathroom is kind of dirty. I kind of downplayed it when I recorded the segment for the bathroom, but as you'll see here, I went back in and refilmed it and look at the countertop, and there's razor stubble from a prior person who stayed here. And then I look over, look down at the floor, and the floor looks dingy and dirty. I bring wipes with me on any trip I go to, so I wiped everything down with the Clorox wipes, including the toilet seat and everything else. It kind of just wiped things down rather than call housekeeping and wait for them. So after that, I went ahead and went downstairs, had dinner as you saw at Hooters. Hooters is pretty good across the country. The Daytona wings with the fries, those were great. Come back up here to the room, turn on the TV, only to find that the TV has been punched or hit something, but down the lower right portion of the TV, it's destroyed, so is the screen. So I call guest services, and they send up maintenance. Maintenance looks at it and says, okay, fine, we'll get you a new TV. And they also said, you're going to have to do an incident report with security. So then the security guy comes up, I fill out an incident report, maintenance guys come back, we get a TV. The whole thing was about 35, 45 minutes to get that all taken care of. Now throughout the night up till about 11 p.m., right outside the window here is the flight path for the tourist helicopters that go up and down the strip. And so up till 11 o'clock, I'm hearing those helicopters land. And so that finally subsided. I shut the TV off, slept pretty good. The bed was fairly comfortable. I filmed the segment you just saw with the sun coming up, I jump in the shower, only to find out those containers of soap across the wall in the shower have no soap in them. So housekeeping has not been doing their job here. Talking to the maintenance guys, there's a couple maintenance related issues like the lamp I showed you earlier in the video that doesn't have the on-off switch to turn it on and off. They said they don't even have them in stock, and they have no lamps at all. The only thing they can do is put a new light bulb in a lamp. Dining options here, we have Southside Eatery, they have the Hooters as you saw, and they have a steak and shake place. Breakfast options, there really isn't any. I was talking to hotel staff. Southside Eatery has stuff in the morning, kind of some coffee, but it's quick serve type of things, some quick sandwiches or whatever, and that's it. In fact, the staff even mentioned going across the street to MGM, going over to Tropicana, going over to New York, or Excalibur. Try one of the other hotels for breakfast because their options here are so limited. They do have a pool deck here. However, with my check-in time, check-out time, I'm not able to utilize the pool, but there's going to be a video like right now showing you the pool. Pool deck looks fairly nice. They have a big, large TV, and there are 2 pools. So with everything said and done, would I stay here again? The answer is no. Hotel staff was phenomenal, but that just doesn't do it when you have all these other things that are broken, like elevators, graffiti, razor stubble on the sink, a dirty bathroom floor, broken TV. Yeah, you put all that together, and no, I'm not going to recommend the hotel, nor would I stay here again. Hope you enjoyed this review of the OYO Hotel here in Las Vegas. If you've ever stayed here, I'd love to hear your opinion. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.